Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips with the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about social media, especially Instagram and hashtags. Don't you hate it? You put your image in, you put your words in, and then when you go to add the hashtags, they all squish together and it just looks messy. You don't have to do that. You just need to be able to add a space. And where do you find that space? Switch keyboards to the number and symbols keyboard. You'll see the return key. Return 3 times. Now you have 3 spaces. Add all your hashtags. When you post, you'll see the image, you'll see your words, you won't see your hashtags. How cool is that? Just remember, number and symbols, return 3 times, and you win. Now you know how the pros do it.